What's good, creative fam? Brandon Washington here, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at this guy, the brand new Zhiyun Smooth 4. What's going on, guys? First of all, thanks so much for checking out the channel. If this is your first time here and you're into filmmaking gear, tips, tutorials, all that good stuff, this is the perfect channel for you. So I definitely recommend you guys to hit that subscribe button. But as I mentioned before, in this video, we're going to be taking a look at Zhiyun's brand new cell phone gimbal, the Smooth 4. Now this thing here is the brand new gimbal for your smartphone. Now there have been a lot of smartphone gimbals coming out here recently. There have been a few by DJI and then a few by FreeFly, and even Zhiyun has released a few in the past. But this one is very unique and very different because it is the very first one that actually sports a knob here that allows you to either use it for focusing or use it for zooming in and out. Now, the reason why this is so interesting is because for the first time on a cell phone, you're able to get those really cool vertigo shots that you see in a lot of big Hollywood movies.
Side of window 1 right now.
Now the innovation doesn't just stop there. This thing is incredibly smooth. I've been using it now for a couple days and I am extremely excited with how well it has turned out. Being able to get some really cool like revealing shots, being able just to get some really cool tracking shots is something that normally with a cell phone you can try to do handheld, and yes, a lot of cell phones now have some type of image stabilization built in, but being able to do all that from a gimbal like this allows you to really dial in your shots just the way you want to. Going a little bit further, if you pair this with their own app, it unlocks a lot more features, things such as motion time lapses, being able to do panoramic shots, and being able to really go into manual mode and set up your camera to get just the shot that you're looking for with the proper exposure. Another awesome thing about this gimbal here is not only are you going to have the ability to shoot everything in landscape mode, which we're pretty much used to, but with a very quick switch, you can actually readjust this thing to be able to shoot in portrait mode. Perfect for you guys who love shooting stories for Instagram or for Snapchat and being able to still maintain a steady shot. One nifty thing that I really like that they added to this thing, and it's actually one of the things I love most about the Crane 2, is that it actually comes with a little tripod. So this way you can actually attach this thing right to the bottom of the Smooth 4 to be able to sit this thing down when you're not using it. But this also means that with this little thread on the bottom here, that you can actually attach this to a quick release plate and easily add this onto like a real big tripod if you wanted to, and if you wanted to be able to use it in that creative fashion. Everything else you would expect to find in a gimbal just like this is definitely in here. The ability to use it in selfie mode, the ability to track objects to keep that object in focus or to keep that object exposed properly, and last but not least, this thing is very, very light. Almost feels too light. The battery is built in, so it just uses a recharge using USB-C. Like I said, I've had it for a couple weeks. I'm excited to see what Zhiyun does with some of the software updates that they can bring to it, because I do believe this product has a lot more potential on what it can do, and so I'd be excited to see what they'll do with software updates in the future. Things like POV mode that they brought over to the Crane 2 and other items like that. So there you have it. This was just my quick rundown over the Smooth 4. This is an awesome gimbal. If you are looking for a gimbal for your smartphone, I definitely would recommend taking a look at this one here. And if you have any additional questions for me, leave those down in the comments. Also, if you thought this video was helpful, hit the thumbs up button. And if you've watched this far and you still haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, because I'd love for you to enjoy the journey that is this channel and filmmaking, which, with that being said, I still have a ton of NAB coverage that I'm going to be dropping on the channel very, very soon, with a very special video coming out Monday featuring none other than Mr. Ryan Conley himself. So excited to show that video to you guys, excited for what's coming new on this channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.